ka dyan, lubog ka dyan.
Yung tipo na-enjoy mo talaga yung ice.
Bijulia.
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 Ay! Isa.
Picture naman. Ako nang huli na.
Video pa ulit. Oh.
Mamabi ka. Uy, ikaw naman, Be. Aray, Diyos ko.
Be, picturean mo.
Buhol saan?
Sa tali.
Tanggal na mo. Anong gagawin mo?
Tali na natin.
Eh, ako hindi na matali kasi ano na to eh. Kaliwali ko na lang.
Oh, sino mapicture? Ikaw. Ay, ako na pala. Wala pala. Ikaw ano. Lumayo-layo kayo.
Kuhanan ko ng buong video yan. Yung pinuhanan ko.
Uy, ate, baka malaglag ka dyan. Di ba ka naiwanan na tayo ng sasakyan? Everywhere is snow. Look at the mountain. The mountain is made of snow. It's so nice. Look up there. The mountain is made of snow already. It's covered of snow. And look at the restaurant. The restaurant is already covered. And look at the buses, what do you call that? The truck, the cars. They are moving very slow because of the ice. Even the road is with ice already. And down there is a big hole.
Tabuan niya